Hi all! Today I host the chicken area or birds enclosures. I want to show you a few impressions what our birds are doing, what our animals are doing, and I hope you enjoy. It's just a quick video. I haven't done any update about our birds for ages, so now it's about the time. So I hope you enjoy. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, I'm actually busy working at the moment, but the birds are so enjoyable. So I thought I have to give you some insights of what our animals are doing. So I hope you enjoy and let's get into it. To those who are new to our channel, we have a few animal enclosures, and we have Guinea fowls which are free ranging. We have geese free ranging too. We have chickens, ducks, bantam chickens, and also quails. And here I'm standing in front of our quails and bantams area, which goes from here up to there, and I take you there. So here is the main area for like water, food, laying eggs, sleeping and so on. And they have a little go through here, which can be closed if needed, but mostly we don't. And here, the next door, is their paradise, the bantams and the quails. They understand each other pretty well, actually. So the quails just sunbathing at the moment, enjoying their life. And here two more. And all the bantams are hiding probably under the mulberry, which we are always trimming from above. That's why it's so nice and white. And they always love to hide underneath, especially during summer. Let's have a look where they are. Okay, let's have a look what the other birds are doing. So our Muscovy ducks, we have lots of teenagers at the moment, and one girl is sitting on another lot of eggs. And these ones are like really very relaxed birds, eating everything, quiet. Very happy birds. We have huge mulberry and elderberry growing here in between the chicken coops, the bird coops. And most of the time the ducks, guinea fowls and chickens like to sit underneath and enjoy the life. We have some little cute chicks. Which are still too little, too small to go out. So we are keeping them here. But any day we will open the opening in here and they can go out to the back and I show you what's going on in there. And here on the other side, actually, where we've just been, that's the door, are the chickens. We also let them out to free range from time to time. But at the moment, basically regularly, but at the moment we have some young ones in here and they are not smart enough yet to be let out. We are just worried about their safety. So they are everywhere here, very safe with the mesh above. With some greens growing in the rings, but I made several videos about it already. With the poor man's bean growing and the bottle gourd creating beautiful shade. They have lots of space in here, so even if they don't go out, they have a really good place to be. And again on the other side here, this is the place where they are laying their eggs. You see the little door, here the girls, and yeah, they're sleeping here. And next to it, here are the girls actually sitting on eggs. And we have 3 of them at the moment sitting on guinea fowl eggs, and one is sitting on guinea fowl eggs, and the two other ones are sitting on their own eggs basically. Very calm and happy. And while they are here, because they are everywhere, these are the geese. We have a few young ones and 3 old ones, and they basically free ranging and sleeping in between our food forest, which we close for the night for their safety. And we have one more basically birds dedicated area which is secure and fenced, which is empty at the moment, but we are planning to move our little piglet to here so she can enjoy. And regarding our piglet, I will show you as well. But now I can see the Guinea fowls, which are not always easy to spot because they are everywhere too. So here are the girls and boys. Free ranging, eating lots of bugs always, which is very good. Lots of ticks. And sleeping right up there on the highest trees next to the birds area. And this area here behind the chickens basically will be a new food forest area which will be fenced, and we have already started to plant some young fruit trees and bushes and other useful plants, but this would be a topic for another video, I guess. Now let's say hello to the piglets, to Brownie. And Brownie is living next to the ducks, and she's got pretty big area. So this was all full of sweet potatoes, so she basically finished it all. Hi Brownie. Hi Brownie. So I just gave her some a zucchini plant which I just pulled out of the garden bed, and it looks like she likes it. So yeah, that's our Brownie, happy and healthy. She's got a beautiful place to sleep, and I will show you because that's funny. So Brownie actually sleeps in here. This is the place where we had a couple of ducks sitting on their eggs. So the place is for her now entirely. So she is basically going from outside inside for the night, going up here and sleeping like a queen in the feathers of the ducks and some hay. So she made herself very comfortable in here. Yes, that's your place, huh? So I hope you liked the little update. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you. And yeah, hopefully see you next time. Bye bye.